Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Caviar Kez. I hope you're all doing well. I'm doing amazing. Let's jump into today's install and review. Let's give a warm welcome back to RPGSHOW. I absolutely love RPGSHOW. They're actually my favorite vendor. I just love their wigs. I love the way their wigs are constructed, and most importantly, I love how their wigs make me feel. This might be their first go around at like the 360 lace. I've tried their glueless wigs, their frontal wigs. This is a glueless 360 wig because it comes with combs and you can actually wear her glueless, as you can see. This is the style Ashley 17. You can also find it in the description box. Look how pretty this is already. Look at the hairline. Make sure that your straps are visible so you know where they are at all times. Literally what lace wear. Go ahead and remove that extra lace. When I tell you I have to get so close to the mirror because I can't see the lace, it's actually invisible. This is so cute. Oh my goodness. I just love me some RPGSHOW wigs. The flexi string. Okay, pull it pretty tight. You'll feel it getting tight in the back. That's what you want. And then once you're done with that, you can just tuck it in. Tuck the string in. You can wear her glueless. You don't have to glue her down. If I don't have to glue my wig down, I'm not going to. Wax stick, just to lay those hairs down a little bit more. Beautiful wig though, it's constructed so nicely. Every single time you get a wig from RPGSHOW, it's going to be exactly what you expected it to be. And maybe even better. It doesn't get any easier than this. Like, we could be done right here. Unclockable. She is cute, girl. Ooh, yes. Oh, so gorgeous. Wow, I feel like a Barbie doll, honestly. Let me just take a sip of my Barbie water. Instantly I became thirsty. When you recurl your wig, it just looks so much better. Like the curls just lay better, it feels better, just everything. You know, cheap wigs take a long time. Expensive, luxury, bougie wigs, you can get ready in the matter of minutes. And that is the type of lifestyle that I need. It's gonna take me less than 10 minutes to recurl this entire wig. Partly because it is a 20-inch, like 20 inch is not that much hair. Like, can we get a really long one? And I know shorter lengths is very popular, but the girls want to see a long length. Like, you know, they need a 26 inch, 28 inch. I'm not even gonna push it and say 30 inch because I don't even know if they have a 30 inch wig. I just want to experience one long RPGSHOW hair wig, just once. I know you guys can make it happen, so you know, I'm here. I'm ready when you are. Listen guys, I gotta shoot my shot, okay? Okay. I'm gonna pull those little hairs that are just roaming around, collecting data. Pull those out. Yeah, we don't need those. Ooh. Do we see that? And keep in mind, guys, she is still glueless. Oh my God. And I would say it fits very snug. When I run my hands through the hair, it doesn't feel like I'm wearing a wig. This feels like it's my hair. It fits flush to my head. If you didn't know any better, you would just think that this is your hair. Okay, we gotta end it off with a ponytail. So I'm thinking like leave the money piece out because it's so cute. Like we gotta leave the money piece out and then put it in a ponytail. Ooh, she'll look cute half up, half down too. I think I'll go in with some more wax stick. Easiest way to achieve your little ponytail is obviously to do a half up first and then gather the hair into that half up. Let me show you how I transform that into a ponytail. Okay, so we have our half up, and this is what she's giving. Just about there. Just about there. Okay. My little half up style. And gather the hair from the back and then put it up. I promise you guys, if you try it any other way, it's gonna be way harder to put your ponytail together. Then take your ponytail and add it to the first ponytail. Okay, look at that little cute little style. Right, how cute is this? And this is what the back is giving. And the back is still glueless, y'all. Look, still glueless, but it's cinched in and you can't tell. This is the final style. This is the final result. I love this wig, and the fact that I can still keep it glueless and maybe just like secure the sides and leave the rest of it glueless, it looks so natural. You wouldn't believe that this was a glueless wig, would you? Like, baby, don't play with RPGSHOW. Guys, I had so much fun installing this wig. I had so much fun playing around with it, coming up with the cute little natural girl styles. No matter how you style this wig, whether or not you're wearing it down or in a bun or in a ponytail or half up, half down, it's gonna look flawless and beautiful every single time, and you're gonna love it. So check them out. I'm gonna link it in the description box for you. And if you're wondering if this wig was Caviar Kes approved, of course it is. Just look at it, guys. I'm living my best life. I'm gonna catch you later in another video sometime soon. Bye.